In this video, we're going to look at the price movement of Bitcoin and the overall crypto market because yes, we could expect this major breakout towards the upside, especially for the altcoins because this altcoin season is about to start because overall guys, this looks extremely bullish and we're going to look at the altcoin market cap, we're going to look at the price movement of Bitcoin, which once again came all the way to the 100,000 US dollars. And are we ready for this major breakout? But guys, keep in mind, I do still expect some volatility exactly within this zone. And yes, a lot of people have been waiting for a long period of time. But guys, you have to stay focused because exactly from the bottom, 2 years ago in the year 2023, we formed exactly the bottom. And this vertical line represents the end of the year. And afterwards, we saw this major breakout towards the upside. We saw a move for only Bitcoin of 90% all the way to the first consolidation period. And now we saw this long sideways consolidation to once again get all these weak hands out of the market. And remember, it is not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Because if you would have accumulated exactly here in these major accumulation phases, you would have been up in some major profits. But guys, after this consolidation period where all the weak hands got flushed out that sold exactly the bottom, they entered all the way up here. And yes guys, then we entered the next consolidation period after we saw this 81% pump after this first consolidation. And once again, after this consolidation, which once again happened exactly at the end of the year, we saw this breakout and this pump of 74% all the way to the next major consolidation period where I told you that the maximum pain is not going to be a major dump. No, it is going to be a long sideways consolidation to get all the weak hands out, and all the people that bought exactly the top, they got frustrated and flushed out of the market. They sold exactly here. And when did they re-enter? Yes, all the way up here after we saw this 68% pump all the way to the next consolidation period. And yes guys, if history does repeat, we could expect this major breakout. We've got all this bullish sentiment. Yes, Donald Trump is going to enter the White House in exactly 4 days, and this is going to mark the beginning of a major bull cycle. But ultimately guys, I do expect that the price movement of Bitcoin is either going to see a pump before the inauguration and a sell the news event and come all the way back down to scare out a lot of people, or we could expect that the price movement is going to consolidate or even dump once again before this inauguration, and that this is going to mark the beginning of this next major parabolic phase. But guys, it doesn't matter if the price movement goes up and down within the zone, you should accumulate. Yes, I've been telling you all along that this is just a major manipulation zone, accumulation phase where you should be accumulating because all these major corporations, they're accumulating exactly here. But before we're going to go over to the altcoins, which could expect the major breakout towards the upside, guys, if you want to trade all of these moves, go down in the video description below and sign up to BloFin, where you can trade all of these moves on the spot market, buying all the cryptocurrencies, or you can trade them with a leverage. And you can even copy all of my trades if you join my free signal group, where we have been reckoning some major profits. And yes guys, if you just want to stay up to date what is happening in the overall crypto market, like for instance the Bitcoin dominance dropping, or even the Google trends for the crypto market is exploding, make sure to join my free Telegram group, because if you only have a small amount of money to invest, you can diversify your portfolio and invest a small amount into trading, because you can outpace the market and make some major profits, because we are already up 100% on stacks. And ultimately guys, I do expect a small consolidation period before we're going to see this next breakout for the overall crypto market, especially for the altcoins. But before we're going to look at the altcoins, let's go over to Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, because this looks extremely bullish. Yes, we see this retest exactly here at this downward sloping trend, the 100,000 US dollars, and this was my next major price target, where I told you if we're going to break this 200 moving average that we could expect this move all the way to the psychological level of the 100,000 US dollars. But guys, we need to look at the retracement levels, because yes, we can see a lot of resistance exactly within the zone of 100,000 US dollars, because first of all, this is a psychological level and we can see a lot of price movement, some rejections all the way up here. So we need to look at the retracement levels from the Fibonacci retracement all the way from the bottom all the way to the swing high. And once again guys, I would say the 23.6 retracement level perfectly lines up with the 13 moving average. So this would be my first target, my bearish target, if we're going to see this consolidation before we're going to break the 100,000 US dollars and come all the way into this major resistance zone of $102. Of 102,000 US dollars, and once again exactly within this level we saw a lot of resistance. So first of all, in the immediate short term, I would expect a retracement for Bitcoin to the 13 moving average, because remember it is healthy for the market to go up in stairs, pump, consolidation, and usually a bullish retracement is the 23.6, perfectly lining up with the 13 moving average. But if we're going to break this level, guys, I wouldn't be concerned, because the 38.2, 100 moving average, the 50 moving average, and the 200 moving average are exactly within this level. So this will be a major support level. So once again, guys, it is not about timing the market. Now is the right time to accumulate. Don't wait for any retracement or even Bitcoin to come all the way back down to range low, because this might not happen and we could expect this major breakout. So ultimately, guys, the 23.6 is going to be my bearish case in the immediate short term, a consolidation from this bullish flag and breakout towards the upside. And my bullish case is going to be that Bitcoin is going to continue and break the 100,000 US dollars and come all the way back into this major range where we could expect the consolidation before the inauguration. But ultimately, guys, the crypto market looks extremely bullish. Yes, the price moving some towards the downside, but once again, this was just a major opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin and all of these altcoins at a major discount, because on the daily bubbles we can see that coins like Link, IMX, Casper, they are up double digits. Yes, guys, if we're going to go on the weekly chart, you can see that some of these coins went up 10% within this week, Casper even 30%. Yes, these coins dumped towards the downside. If we go on the monthly chart, you can see that on all of these coins, you're still getting a major discount from the previous highs. So use this opportunity, because on the total 3 market cap, in the previous bull cycle, we started with this parabolic run and the altcoin season exactly here. Once again, at the end of January, beginning of February, we saw this major breakout towards the upside, and history does repeat, guys. We are exactly here. We are just to break the previous high from the total 3 market cap, all the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and also Ethereum. And if we're going to see this major breakout, this is what happened last time. All these altcoins saw a major push towards the upside. Solana saw this major continuation. Yes, Solana was new in the previous cycle, but ultimately, guys, this is just a major accumulation phase. So if you entered the crypto market all the way down here and you held all of these coins, guys, congratulations, because this is really what is important. Not to try to outpace the market if the market is in a consolidation phase, to sell your cryptocurrencies and try to buy it lower. Guys, you're not going to catch the bottom if you didn't buy exactly here. Use these major phases and these bearish trends to accumulate your favorite coins. So if you want to be profitable during this next crypto bull market, guys, make sure to be subscribed to B for Crypto, activate the bell. And if you want to trade all of these moves, make sure to sign up to BloFin. And if you want to copy my trades, first of all, make sure to be in my free Telegram group, where you'll find all the information how to join my free Signal group. And if you want to spend your crypto like fiat, make sure to sign up to REDOTPAY, where you get a virtual and also physical card for only a few dollars with no monthly fees. And yes, guys, you even get a major discount if you use my exclusive link. All the links are in the video description below. But ultimately, guys, this looks extremely bullish, and Bitcoin is ready to break the 100,000 US dollars, because ultimately, guys, you're still extremely early in this last phase of the bull market, where we're going to see that the altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin. So make sure to watch all of my previous videos to stay up to date what is happening in the crypto market. But most importantly, guys, wake up.